In the realm of audio technology, Bose has established itself as a leading brand renowned for its innovative audio products and immersive sound experience. With a commitment to delivering high-quality audio solutions, Bose has captured the hearts of countless music enthusiasts and home theater aficionados. However, even the most sophisticated technology can encounter unexpected glitches. And one such common issue that the Bose users often encounter is the Bose remote not working problem. The Bose remote control serves as a convenient and essential tool for users to effortlessly navigate their audio system, adjust volume levels, switch between audio sources, and access various features. It acts as a gateway to a seamless and immersive audio experience, providing users with control and convenience at their fingertips. However, when the Bose remote fails to function as expected, frustration sets in and users are left searching for answers. The Bose remote not working issue manifests in different ways, ranging from unresponsive buttons and intermittent functionality to a complete lack of response from the remote. This unexpected behavior can disrupt the desired audio experience, leading to inconvenience and a diminished sense of satisfaction for Bose users. Understanding the potential causes behind the Bose remote malfunction is crucial to resolving the issue. Various factors could contribute to the problem, including battery issues, infrared signal interface, software glitches, or physical damage. Identifying the root cause allows user to adopt the appropriate troubleshooting steps and regain control over their audio system. When facing the issue of a Bose remote not working, there are several troubleshooting steps that you can take to resolve the problem. Here are some potential solutions. Number 1. Check the batteries. Number 2. Clean the remote. Number 3. Verify line off and proximity. Ensure that there are no obstructions between the remote and the Bose audio system. Clear any objects that might be blocking the IR signal path. Also, make sure you are within a reasonable distance from the remote to function correctly. Number 4. Update the firmware. Number 5. Try different remote. Remember to refer the user manual or Bose's official support resources for model-specific troubleshooting steps and recommendations. Troubleshooting the Bose remote not working issue require a semantic approach, eliminating potential causes one by one until a resolution is found. Thank you for watching.
If you like this video, then don't forget to press the like button. Also, do share it with your friends and families. For more videos like these, do subscribe to Gossipfunda YouTube channel. You can read more such amazing blogs on our website. Visit gossipfunda.com. Link is in the description box. Do check it out. See you in the next video.